Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss these pairs. I have received several comments from all of you that I should include Euro US dollar, dollar CAD, pound dollar, dollar yen, CAD JPY, Euro CAD, pound JPY, Euro GBP and GBP, JPY to include all of these instruments in my analysis on daily basis. So this is a daily forex forecast for 1st and 2nd of August 2024, and I will be explaining all of and analyzing all of these currency pairs for all of you, so that anyone wants to get the real image of the market and real move in the market. I think this video is going to be super beneficial for all of you. So let's have a look at Euro US dollar, and Euro US dollar is very nicely trading, but it requires a little bit of explanation. So before that, first let's start from the dollar CAD. And dollar CAD, as you can see, I will not be including my weekly analysis right here because the weekly plans are the weekly plans and this is the daily. So we should stick to one plan at a time, and these are going to be the daily setups that every trader can practice, obviously. So on a weekly, what I usually do is I find support zone right here, and support zone is right this, resistance is up there. I move to the daily time frame, and there are several resistance zone, but obviously the first and the easiest one for me is the previous Fibonacci breakout, which is right here. So this is very much important for me. Usually at 61.8% retracement I sell, but right here, as it stopped me out, what I usually do is I consider this as a support. So a very fantastic one right here. Now no rocket science, we have found the support and the resistance is already with us. There is one other tiny resistance right here, but I assume this is going to be the best of all. Moving on to the H4, and right here if you see, we can see that market clearly broke the structure, the previous one, and right here it took 61.8% retracement and is at the moment looking like it is going to be dropping towards this level of 1.37550. and those who have got these sell opportunities, remember that their stop losses are this much. So the sellers are holding positions with a 40 pips of stop loss and 77 pips of take profit, and this is a clear one Fibonacci trading setup right here. So this is the dollar CAD, and I'm sure enough it will be able to do this till tomorrow. And obviously on the daily time frame, if I see this rally can expectedly be continuing towards this zone right here. So let's see if we get a sell trend right here or not. Stop loss is going to be very less. Move on to the pound US dollar, and on pound US dollar, let's have a look at the weekly time frame. Exactly, the weekly time frame right here is showing us this resistance, followed by this fantastic support right here. And even if I show you on a weekly, there is an ABCD pattern that is going to be completed very soon. Exactly, it has not yet completed, and the completion is going to occur near 1.31573. So remove all of these and move on to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, as you can see, what is so special for me is exactly the same I will be doing, and right here I will need to find out 61.8% retracement, and I have to see if this level is going to be the future support with us or not. So this is the support, well, not exactly respected by the price on a daily time frame. So I think right here, if we see, there is a Fibonacci reversal area right here along with this bullish trend, and obviously the trend lines, yesterday I have made a video about it. But obviously this buy, if you can see, can be a little bit of risky. Let's see if we can get a double top up there. I will definitely be happy to trade. Otherwise, if we see the 4-hour time frame, well, a fantastic drop was expected and market is right here, gave a green candle. So the stop loss is going to be a little bit of around 74 pips as per this plan, and the take profit can be all the way towards that zone of 61.8% retracement right here. And this is so much important because if you see right here, we have a previous break of structure as well, because from here market was supposed to go up but it dropped. So if it dropped, it means this area is of equal importance for all of us. Moving on to the dollar yen, and right here if we see the weekly time frame, well, on the weekly it is obviously a resistance zone. And why it is a resistance zone? Because if you see, this is the all-time high for it. So if it is a all-time high for it, I have to find some levels of support. This can be a very fantastic support, and obviously I have no other choice other than this resistance level. So market is being traded in this particular zone right here, and we have seen a very nice rejection from 61.8% retracement right here. So if I show you it like this, definitely removing the Fibonacci and moving to the lower time frames right here, the daily time frame, well, it has shown some nice levels. But if you want to trade it towards the top side of the market, well, definitely this is the previous 61.8% retracement that is broken. So there is a possibility this market can go into a range between 152.232 and 148.305. so let's see which one comes first. And definitely if I draw Fibonacci from top to bottom, and right here if I show you 61.8% retracement comes right here, so that is going to be the expected resistance tomorrow and today. Remember, tomorrow is a very important news for the dollar as well, so we can see some nice and fantastic wicks tomorrow. Moving on to the CAD JPY and CAD JPY weekly time frame, right here if I show you the analysis that I did for the dollar JPY, exactly is the same for the CAD JPY. And right here if I assume this whole move to the top side of the market, and right here if I show you, this is a clear 61.8% retracement, a retest, a strong bullish move, and seems like the price is coming down. So if the price is coming down, let's have a look at it. If we can get some good sell opportunity, definitely we are not going to miss. So as the price is going back up towards this 61.8% retracement, and right here if you see, this is going to be a very fantastic sell opportunity area for all of us. Moving on to the Euro CAD, and right here if you see the weekly on the weekly time frame, well, it is so much ups and down and so much zigzaggy. So right here if I show you, this is going to be the all-time support for with me. And the daily time frame if you see, well, yes, there is this support, a very fantastic one. So those who are on this support, let's grab Fibonacci and drag it from bottom to top there, and it is exactly pointing towards 61.8% retracement at a price of 1.4760. So the impulsive wave looks something like this, and a fresh seller who want to enter into the market may definitely either wait for this correction. Well, it is not possible, it may give us this correction or not, but those who miss the opportunity can re-enter from 1.49835, and the move seems to be going down towards 1.4602. Pound JPY, if we see right here, GBP JPY, a very fantastic pair right here, and mostly the yen pairs are performing very nicely. Moving on to this one right here, if you see 61.8% retracement is very much closer to this price point. So mostly on the daily and on the H4 most of the traders will be again buying. So I think this is also going to be a previous broken level right here, and price can definitely continue back up till there. So from there I wish if I get the price, and if at that time I'm in front of the PC, I'm going to take a sell trade towards the completion of 179.710. Remember this 207.970, all of these moves I have identified for the long-term traders. On the short term, if we see anyone who wants to trade, well, there are good opportunities. First, this buy opportunity right here towards this recent Fibonacci, and the take profit can be all the way towards right here. So a profit of around 480 pips is expected. Euro GBP right here, oh my god, this chart is completely crazy. So let's have a let's ignore it for now. So let's close this as well. And moving on to the euro US dollar right here, if you see market is clearly standing on this 61.8% retracement again. Most of the pairs are standing on either retest of the 61.8% retracement, just like this is a retest. Last time it was broken and this time it is retested. And these cells, well, those of you who took these cells, I think 180 pips as a weekly trader you have got. This is too much. Let's wait for the market. Maybe it can take a bounce from 1.07712, but since tomorrow is news as well, stop loss should be a little bit bigger. Remember everyone, we usually put our stop losses at a very bad places because we have no idea where to put it. And if you go without a strategy, remember every time you will face this problem. So now let's have a look at this euro US dollar in detail and the trend line that I have discussed yesterday. If you have not seen the video, make sure I will leave the link in the iCard above. You can click that and you can watch that video as well. So what I said yesterday is that when we have a trend, the trend can definitely give us fantastic profits. And right here, if you see, this is a very fantastic trend and sort of like a bullish channel as well. So bullish channel right here, if you see, currently is this one, but there is also one other master level for it that it is trading in between. So from the current price point, what it is showing, obviously it is showing because it promised to give us this promise to give us this much profit. And right here is the result right here at 61.8% retracement. At this candle I took a position. It was how much negative against positive against me, 40 pips, and my stop loss was below this support right here. So with 120 pips of stop loss, the market gave me 221 pips. Then this resistance, if you can see, this level also gave me fantastic profits as expected. This one gave a little bit more profits. Why? Because this was a Fibonacci zone. So 178 pips it gave because if we draw Fibonacci from top to bottom and drag it like this, you can easily see that this is 61.8% retracement and a previous resistance up there. So fantastic zone right here. Now if we see the H4 right here, on the H4 bulls have already shown some strength, and this is a very shallow channel, I should say, a very 45 degrees angle right here. And right here we have a very fantastic resistance zone. So let's see if it go up to 1.0775 for tomorrow, we can get some good profits right here. If you are holding a buy position, stop is supposed to be around 97 pips and the take profit is going to be around 81 pips. So yes, stop loss comes a bit more, so why not be with these bulls and put the stop loss with just 65 pips. So that is again good, because managing the stop loss is again I usually tell you very much important for us. Moreover, overall, if we see this is a channelized trend, a pullback. You see a bullish move inside a channel and followed by this. So a very fantastic one. Let's see who are the lucky ones who gets it. Otherwise, the master buy zone for the long term is definitely this one. So don't be too greedy right here. If the market gives you 50-60 pips till tomorrow, still that will be more than enough. And tomorrow I will be explaining further concepts to all of you. So today I gave you a practical example of those trend lines which I have discussed yesterday, and most of you are asking me to analyze these currency pairs. So I discussed trend lines in this video. I gave a daily forex forecast For these instruments right here, make sure to read the above disclaimer, and I also explained the channels a little bit as well, because euro US dollar, if you see, is it is ranging at the moment, it is channeling at the moment, it is making patterns at the moment. This is us which type of trade we want to get. So thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to leave a like, click the bell icon, the subscribe button, and share the video if you like my content. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.